Hi, so I want to do a quick and easy release for your vagus nerve. So we're going to take our left hand and you're going to put it on your right trap. So this intersection right here of your neck and the top of your shoulder, you're going to push down very gently. Push down. You're not hurting yourself. You're going to take your right hand, draw a line, and you're going to look up to the left. And as you do that, you're going to help it go a little bit further. And you're going to press down a little bit onto that trap with your left hand. And we're going to breathe, okay? In through the nose and out through the nose 3 times. Relax all of the parts of your body. Last one. 3 times in through the nose, out through the mouth. You might feel you can turn your head a little more, push down on your neck a little more. One more. Now slowly, you're going to take your hands away, gently, okay? Just take a minute, just feel yourself, okay? I don't want you to push too hard. I don't want you to feel like you're overstretching, so your hand is just helping move a little bit further than you would on your own. So next, other side, taking the right hand and pushing it down on the left trap, this intersection of the neck and the top of your shoulder. So press down very gently, almost like you're trying to push a thumbtack, okay? That much pressure. Now, you're turning your head to the right, and I want you to look up and to the right, and you're taking your left hand on this lower mandible, on this lower part of your jaw, and you're helping it turn a little bit more. And as you're turning it, you're also pushing up a little bit too, okay? So really opening up that left side of your neck. And we're gonna breathe in and out the nose 3 times. Now we're gonna breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth 3 times. Maybe turn a little more. And then slowly release. Let go of your hands. Nice. So I'm doing this standing right now. You could do it sitting at a chair. You could do it, no one would notice you if you did it in a public place. I guarantee that no one's gonna notice you because everyone's in their phones or thinking about themselves. So it's a great way to be calm, to calm yourself down, to do it before bed, to help you get a good sleep. You can do it in the morning if you woke up and your mind is going la 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 la. You could do it after you just experience something intense. You know, we kind of have this like adrenaline rush, so doing that really helps. Do it anytime you think of it. All right, thanks.